So we really love trying to do, and we promote all the time, doing a cleanse, doing a detox at least once, if not twice a year, just to really get you back to feeling optimal. We all get off track. Generally, I always do it after Christmas because I get off track over the year, and Christmas time, I'll overindulge in alcohol and sugar and things I shouldn't be eating. And so it's a great way to kind of hone it back in and get me back on a good track for the new year, right? New year, new time. Let's kind of refresh. Let's re-energize. Let's get back to it. So we just want to talk a bit about why we detox, what happens when you detox, some of the benefits you get to feel from detoxing, just so that everybody understands. And then we'll let you know about our new detox that is coming out in about 2 weeks' time. So yeah, Hallie, let's just start with the basics. Like, why is it that we want to detox? What are we detoxing out of our body?
Yeah, great question. So we're exposed to toxins so much in our everyday life, right? We have cleaning products and air pollution and emotional toxins, right? And they all disrupt our hormones and they disrupt our liver. And our liver is our main detox organ. And in Chinese medicine, our liver holds different emotions. And the one emotion that is associated with the liver is anger. And so it's interesting because not only when we do a detox do we detox our bodies, we are also detoxing our minds and our spirits as well. So that's really important. But overall, many people feel a little bit heavy, a little bit sluggish, and after a detox, people will they report feeling much lighter and clearer thinking. A lot of times their skin gets a bit dull, especially in the winter time here in North America. And so if you can, by giving your body that break and a little bit of some support to help with your detox, that can really help to brighten up our skin and feel a little bit more, they have better sleeps and more energy as well. So it's overall very comprehensive to really help to support.
Yeah, and I like to kind of explain it as, we're constantly coming in contact with chemicals and toxins and pesticides. And, our body has to get rid of all of those. So if we walk into a room and there's a scented candle, literally that scent goes into our body, and that's not natural. And our body looks at it as a toxin and they're like, oh my gosh, how do I get rid of this? And it has to do a lot of work to get rid of it. Mainly the liver is the main organ that can work with this. So what we're trying to do with this detox is normally what ends up happening is, over the year, we're getting more and more exposed, and these toxins are getting stronger than our liver can actually kind of handle. So it's like the toxins are overrunning our bodies. We don't have as much support from our liver because our liver is overburdened. So we want to kind of switch that. And that's kind of the reset, is the toxins kind of come out, our liver gets a bit stronger, and we're back to basically hopefully more of this level where the good outweighs all this bad and all these chemicals that are coming in. So that's what we're trying to do with that detox. That's why we're detoxing. We're really just trying to clean the body out and get it back to so it can work kind of optimally, right?
Absolutely. And again, I kind of mentioned the hormones. Hormones make a big difference. They are all processed through the liver as well. And then excess hormones will be excreted through the intestines. And by supporting your detox organs, that can really help to balance out your hormones. And balancing out hormones can really help with mood. It can help with libido or sex drive. It can help with overall energy, because when your hormones are fluctuating so much, they can really be helping to support the liver and the intestines with detoxification can really help to put your hormones back on track. So people who are suffering from like hot flashes or night sweats, or again, just irritable overall, or a little bit run down. Yes, PMS can really benefit from a detox as well.
Yeah, it's huge. And that's a big thing we see so many patients now coming in. And I just had a patient yesterday again who was like, my doctor ran all these tests and all my hormones are normal, but I know I'm off. And we hear that so much. And I always say, trust yourself. If you think it's probably hormonal, I bet it is.
Yeah.
And this is a good way to start resetting this, right? Even if your labs are normal. So what is a detox? So I always like to say this too. It is not traditionally, like a lot of people say, a cleanse. Oh, does that mean I have to be near the bathroom constantly? That's not what we're talking about. We're just talking about basically eating really clean and healthy, taking out the unhealthy foods and adding in some support for our liver and our kidney, and support for our energy producers, our mitochondria, to help so that we can have the energy that we need and those cells can function really well. That's all we're basically doing, is we're just, again, getting the body and giving the body only what it needs for a short period of time. And a cleanse or detox can be anywhere from 3 days to a month. And the detox that we're going to be running is going to be a 2-week detox. And in this 2-week detox, it's run essentially like you're eating really clean and you're using a medicinal food as part of your intake. So this medicinal food has all the proteins you need. It has all the nutrients you would need to survive. So technically you could just take these shakes and feel really great. But we're eating with it. We're eating the healthy foods. And we're also doing all kinds of stuff around it that's really, really helpful. So in this 2-week period, we normally give you all kinds of information, everything you need to help you, to support you. You have contact with us the whole time, which a lot of people really like. We do these group detoxes all the time. Normally we do them twice a year. We do them in clinic and online. So people love it because at least if there is questions or concerns, they have someone to talk to. And we do it as a community. So you'll be with other people who are also detoxing, going through the same thing. You can share your wins, your struggles. We all get together and kind of do this. So there's also a lot of things that go around just the eating part. And Hallie, you can go a little bit into that. What we also are, some of the foundational things that we normally ask people to do during a detox or that are recommended to do as well.
Absolutely. So really helping to support overall, like you were saying, the nutrients, right? The making sure that we're getting a good, the detox factors. So the magnesium and the B vitamins, all of that is included in the medicinal food that we are, the shakes that we're recommending. And then we are taking out the things that cause burdens and heaviness in our bodies. So things like excess sugar or caffeine or alcohol or gluten or dairy, these things, giving your body a break from these to really allow it to reset and really allowing your body to have a new lease on life, right? So that can really help to again, bring back that energy, bring back that mood stability, bring back that refreshing feeling that when you wake up in the morning, you actually feel refreshed, like you've actually slept. And so going through the program can be really helpful for overall just balancing your overall health.
And we have daily things like we talk about dry skin brushing and saunas and all these extra stuff that we kind of go into, that give you handouts on, just to kind of understand how you can help your body detox a bit more efficiently. So some of the frequently asked questions, again, will I have a lot of diarrhea and loose bowels? No, that is not what this will do for you. Will it be hard to do? It is. I mean, it is a struggle to do, but you generally feel so good that you like doing it. So I run a 10-day detox a lot of times, and a lot of people who do it, majority of people who do it, continue for an extra couple days, 18 days, to make it a 28-day one. Not because I make them do it, but because they want to, because they're feeling so good, because they have energy again. They can think clearly. They're not bloated anymore. Those are some of the main things that people are feeling, and you just feel fantastic. So, we'll be doing it along with you. So this is our time to cleanse as well. So hopefully we'll see you there. We will leave the links in the comment. We'll be leaving more information about it. But we hope you will join us. And if not, you do your own detox, whatever way you're going to do it, please think of doing something to help get your body reset again.
Absolutely. All right, everyone. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.